Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the device. Turn on GPS or high-accuracy location and make sure airplane mode is off. Once done, open the Maps app or a browser tab where you'll request geolocation. Make sure to grant permission when the prompt appears. Without this, you can't read coordinates. If you plan to use an API, get your key now and note whether you need decimal degrees or degrees minutes seconds. This gets you straight into capturing location data. You now collect the location itself. In a Maps app, drop a pin or tap the location marker to view decimal coordinates, copy them. For web or custom apps, call Navigator. Geolocation. Get current position or watch position to retrieve coords, accuracy, and timestamp. This helps you know reliability. If using hardware GPS or a GPS dongle, connect, let it get a fix for several seconds and read NME or device output. Also confirm whether you need to convert between DMS and decimal degrees. You finish by converting or formatting coordinates as your use case requires and saving them with the timestamp and reported accuracy. Once saved, paste lat, long into a form, a map URL, or an API request. Make sure you record whether values are decimal degrees versus DMS. If results look wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Move outdoors with a clear view of the sky, wait for a fresh GPS fix, and retry. Obstructed views and cached IP geolocation often cause poor location readings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.